Hi, this is Ryan Hershey from Snack Attack Vending. I'm going to give you a tutorial today on how to install chute doors. I have plastic and stainless steel requested by a lot of customers. So what I did here, I'll pull the Vendstar closer here. This is the housing with the bezels. As you can see, I took the candy canisters off and also the back door for quick access to show you how to install these. So what you want to do is you want to go through where the coin tray is, money pocket there. There's two screws down there to get the bezel off. So undo the two screws, okay, like I did there, and then I'll pull the bezel with the chute off. Now what you want to do is you want to take those three screws, bam, 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 take the coin mech off. Like so. So now we got the coin mech right here. And on the coin mech down at the bottom right is going to be a little hole. Here's your spring. There's a little hole there where you're going to insert the spring. If you see the spring here, have a straight edge wire and an L-shaped wire. L-shape will go in the hole. Once you get the spring in the hole, you're going to want to preload the spring by having the straight side towards you. Now, and then we're going to grab a chute door. So then what you're going to do is then you're going to take the chute door, slip it in there. You're going to know that you have it installed correctly when the straight edge wire of the spring is showing in front of the chute door. Okay, it's going to take a couple times. So a lot of customers ask me, well, what's a better chute door, the stainless steel or the plastic? Well, the plastic is the factory original. Okay, if you want to keep it original, you want to stick with this one here. But if you want to do the metal, then you'll never have to change a chute door ever again, because it is it's stainless steel and it's food grade compliant. Okay, and this one is not. The post, what happens is the post, once they want to break, when you have kids flapping it, they want to do this. Okay, and after a while then they'll bust off, or kids will just actually just grab it and pull them right off. Well, you're not going to do that with the stainless steel, because these posts aren't going to break. Okay, so they install the same way, and they're both available on my website. Okay, the website's snackattacknow.com, and that'll be posted at the bottom of the screen. Hope that helps you out today, and we'll see you for another tutorial.